Cloaking devices, fact or science fiction? Invisibility is the act of disappearing from view, usually with the help of advanced technology or some form of magical power. For years, scientists have been trying to replicate this concept to allow its use in a real-world environment, rather than just for fictional purposes. Up until a few years ago, this would have been considered an insane idea that only mad scientists would have attempted to create. While practical, flexible cloaking is still theoretical, cloaking on a small scale has not only been developed, but is showing signs of rapid advancement. The University of Rochester successfully created the first three-dimensional cloaking device. This device uses 4 lenses, which bends the light around the objects to create the illusion of invisibility. While the current tests use both small objects and lenses, the device can easily be scaled up to compensate for larger objects. Another theorized form of cloaking is through metamaterials. Metamaterials are a substance that are engineered from a variety of composite materials. These allow for light to be manipulated and warped around the object. The left side of the image shows an example of cloaking where the light around and behind the object has warped, rendering it ineffective to use. The right side of the image uses metamaterial cloaking. As you can see, the only warped light is within the cylinder, allowing the object to be cloaked without any distortions to the background. The theory of planned behavior helps to predict whether an emerging technology will be successful. The first aspect, behavioral attitude, takes a look at whether the technology will have a positive or negative impact on people's lives. Cloaking has many positive aspects, including providing the military with opportunities to advance their technology and having potential in the entertainment industries. The biggest negative aspect is that it gives people access to more advanced technology, potentially increasing crime rates in various areas. The next aspect is subjective norms. This aspect takes a look at the environment around the individual to see how the technology will fit into their cultural and social networks. Since cloaking is an intriguing technology that's only been used in fictional environments, most of society will be interested to see it created and implemented for real-world usage. The last main aspect is perceived behavioral control. This has a look at how easy the technology is to use. Because cloaking is still limited in its capabilities, it is difficult to estimate what sort of skill level will be required to use it. While the technology is quite advanced to set up and create, all practical application has been relatively easy to use, implying that a commercialized product would appeal to most people. To conclude, cloaking is an interesting technology that not only has many practical applications, but holds high novelty value with a large range of people. According to the theory of planned behavior, this technology should be successful because it's practical, culturally acceptable, and all signs point towards it being easy to use. Many people will be eagerly waiting to see what advancements cloaking makes over the next few years.